Good day folks, my name is Sean and this is Air Photography. Today's video is just going to be a quick one and I'm going to show you how you can use your Hero 8 Black batteries in your Hero 9 Black with the help of this little adapter from Ulanzi. So without further ado, let's just jump right in and take a closer look. So when GoPro launched the Hero 9 Black back in September last year, they also introduced a new battery, a higher capacity battery. GoPro states you can get approximately an extra 30% power in certain scenarios. In my testing over the past couple months, I found that to be fairly accurate. If we take a look at the battery for the Hero 8 Black, you can see there is a considerable size difference. The Hero 8 Black battery has a capacity of 1,220 milliamp hours, whereas the Hero 9 Black battery has a capacity of 1,720 milliamp hours. You can see that GoPro added a blue top to the Hero 9 Black battery just to make it easy so when you're grabbing batteries you know what battery is for what. If we take a look at the bottom of the battery, you can see that the leads for the battery are identical and the voltage of the batteries are exactly the same as well. They're both 4.4 volts. So other than the size difference and the higher capacity, both batteries are pretty well identical. In theory that means the Hero 8 Black battery should work in the Hero 9 Black. Now if you had a Hero 8 Black and you've upgraded to the Hero 9 Black, you've probably got a whole drawer or bag full of batteries for the Hero 8 Black that you haven't been able to utilize in the Hero 9 Black. Ulanzi has come up with this adapter that allows you to insert the Hero 8 Black batteries into the Hero 9 Black and they work perfectly. I'll just show you here quickly how that works. First of all, inside the adapter you can see they have this kind of tacky sticky pad. That just allows the battery to stick in there and kind of grip the adapter. Now you don't have to use that sticky pad, you can leave that top sheet over top so it doesn't stick. I've tried it both ways and it works just fine. But taking it off, it does just kind of grip that battery a little bit more, so it makes it easier to take in and out. And we're going to line up the shape of the battery. You can see how we have this little indentation here. We're going to line it up with that indentation on the adapter. Now it's very important to make this tab here, this is the pull tab to get the batteries out. You want to make sure you line it up with that slot there. If you don't have it lined up with a slot, it's going to make taking the battery out a little bit more difficult. Now, if you do happen to install it without putting that tab in the slot and you can't get your battery out, you can see here we have these two ridges, and I think they put them in there just for that situation. If you happen to slide this battery compartment in without that tab, you can just grab those ridges there and pull it out. So we're just going to slide that tab through there and stick it down on that sticky pad. Once it's on that sticky pad, you can see it comes out quite easily, so you can utilize your whole collection of batteries with one adapter. Now when we have the Hero 8 Black battery installed in the adapter, you can see when we compare it to the Hero 9 Black battery, we have the exact same dimensions. Everything lines up exactly how it should. So now that's going to allow us to insert it into the compartment for the Hero 9 Black. Press it down in, and now we can go ahead and power it on. Now when you do power it on, you're going to get a message saying that it's not using a genuine GoPro battery or something like that. You get the same message if you're using third-party batteries, but I've actually tested this out thoroughly over the past week and I've had not one single problem, and you can just put a check mark in there to get rid of that message so it doesn't pop up every time. So let's go ahead and we'll power it on now here. You can see there's the message and it says performance with any other battery is not guaranteed. So it's kind of reading it like a third-party battery because it doesn't have some kind of chip in it or whatever to signify that it's a Hero 9 Black battery. So you can get rid of that message. We're now using our Hero 8 Black battery in our Hero 9 Black. Now as mentioned, I have tested it out fairly thoroughly. I've recorded in 4K, I've done some hyperlapses, I've recorded a few time lapses. Hypersmooth works fine even with boost turned on. I've tested high frame rate recording at 1080 at 240 frames per second and everything seems to work as it should. And when you're done and you're ready to swap out the battery, I just want to show you here, you can see that we have our tab sticking out of that slot, if you can see that in there. And now like I mentioned, if you do happen to forget to feed that tab through, there are those two ridges there, so you can just grab them with your fingernail and pull the battery out. You can then take the battery out, replace it with a fresh one, and put it back in. So nice little accessory for the Hero 9 Black from Ulanzi. Now I do believe it is only available for purchase on the Ulanzi website, so I will include a link to it down below in the description. I don't think it's available on Amazon as of yet, but I'm sure it will make its way there eventually. Once it is available on Amazon, I will update the links down below. Now I just want to mention here too that you can actually 3D print these brackets. I've seen a couple floating around. Myself, like many, don't own a 3D printer, so that's not really an option. So for $8, I think it's a pretty good investment. Well, folks, that's basically it for my video. Hopefully you enjoyed it and got some value out of it. Give it a thumbs up if you did. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel so you don't miss any of our upcoming videos. And we'll see you in the next one.